This is a official message about to be broadcast by the nuclear attack warning system. This is not a test. Please prepare yourselves to brace now.
This is a national periodic test at the request of a primary entry point system in collaboration with the nuclear attack warning system. This is not a test, but is not emergency. This is also administrative message. For all of you, Americans, there was never a nuclear attack. Somehow, the NAWS was hijacked to make you believe that a nuclear attack was inbound, but there was never such threat. Thank you, and good luck. Message brought by Comcast.